Hey everyone, this is Calvin and Marie with Southern Country Living. We hope that you enjoy our videos. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, leave us comments, and everyone have a great day.
Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a strawberry dessert, and it's a frozen strawberry dessert, and it's real easy to make, and it's a real good dessert. So let me get started. Okay, so I'm going to spray my pan, and this is a 9 by 13. Okay. Now then I'm going to do my crust. The butter in it.
That's working fine.
Yes. I'm going to beat my whipping cream. It's 1 cup. I'm going to beat it for about 4 minutes. I'm going to start off for the first minute on low and beat it for 1 minute. My whipped cream is done. Okay, I've added my cream cheese. I'm just going to cut it up just a little bit to help break it up before I get started. Okay, then I'm going to add my powdered sugar. I'm going to beat this on low speed until it's creamy. Okay, it's creamy now, and so I'm going to add in my condensed milk, and I think it'll get it off my beaters when I do that. Add my vanilla. Okay, that's good and creamy now, and now I'm going to be adding in my pureed strawberries. Okay. Now then, I'm gonna be putting in my whipped topping. I'm gonna fold it in. Okay, that's good and creamy. So now I'm going to fold in my strawberries. Okay, now I'm going to put my mixture over my graham crackers.
It really looks good.
You can't hardly go wrong with strawberries. I'm going to put this in the freezer and it will be ready tomorrow. Okay, here's my strawberry. Okay, here's my strawberry frozen dessert, and I'll put it in the freezer, and it'll be ready for us tomorrow when we have our meal. Hi, my frozen strawberry dessert is ready. This is what we're having tonight with our sausage and potato casserole, and so I'm going to cut it right now and serve it up. This is what we're having for our dessert.
Oh wow, that looks good, Marie.
Dessert.
Yes, that looks great.
I think me and Calvin is going to enjoy this dessert tonight with our sausage and potato casserole. And so, love what you do and do what you love and have a great day. Bye.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here